The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Well, as you have heard in the news, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says there are no areas of fundamental differences between Jamaica and the IMF concerning key terms for a medium-term facility. However, Dr. Phillips, in an update to Parliament today, revealed that the main issue concerns how a small, heavily indebted island state like Jamaica deals with international shocks and the need for buffers. Dr. Phillips reveals that the government is exploring creative debt initiatives such as debt for asset swaps with public sector bondholders and debt for nature swaps. The Jamaican dollar weakened against the 3 regularly traded foreign currencies today. The benchmark American dollar gained 17 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $91.10, whilst the Canadian dollar jumped 56 cents Jamaican to close at $92.17. Sterling closed 69 cents higher at a record $146.13. Now, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips today attributed the continued weakening of the local dollar to seasonal demand for foreign exchange, as well as nervousness among some over the outcome of talks with the IMF. In related news, the Bank of Jamaica says it's unlikely that it will open tomorrow, and so today's weighted average exchange rate will be the relevant rate for customs and GCT purposes tomorrow and Thursday. Kingston Live Entertainment today became the 14th company to be listed on the junior market. The stock opened at $3.70, but there was no trade. There was an offer of $5 per share for over 30,000 units. However, there were no takers. CEO Gary Matalon says Kelly, which includes Fiction Lounge and Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records, plans serious domestic expansion, including Portmore and even the old banana port town of Aracabessa in St. Mary, a veritably virgin territory for an entertainment entity of this magnitude.
The Aracabessa project, we're working with Sagicor now on the design development, and that will kick off towards the end of 2013 once we've gotten all our permits and our real estate license and all of those necessary things that we need to do. And then, of course, the expansion of the Tracks and Records brand, we're looking at phase 2 in the Falmouth cruise ship pier, and that is going to be more than likely, according to Royal Caribbean, sometime in the beginning part of 2013 as well.
Speaking at the listing of KLE on the junior market, General Manager of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marilyn Street Forest, felt constrained to remind companies that the 5-year-old tax-free moratorium associated with the junior market still exists.
We wish to remind the potential listed companies and the general public that the benefit of listing on the junior market, the benefits have not changed since the market was launched in 2009.
Mrs. Street Forest's reminder comes at a time when some potential companies for the junior market hold the mistaken belief that the tax-free advantage has been taken away. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.